The average UK first-time buyer is leaving £4,000 of completely free government money on the table every single year. Not because they are not eligible, not because it is complicated, simply because nobody told them it existed. I am going to fix that in the next 5 minutes. Buying your first home in the UK in 2026 feels further away than ever for most people. House prices remain stubbornly high. Mortgage rates are significantly higher than the historic lows of the previous decade. The deposit requirement on an average UK property feels like an impossible mountain to climb on a normal salary. But here is what most people do not realise. The path from renting to owning in the UK in 2026 is navigable. Not easy, not quick, but absolutely navigable. If you know the right steps, use the right government schemes, and build the right financial foundation before you apply. In this video, I am going to give you the complete step-by-step guide. 5 specific steps, from knowing your numbers to getting your keys. Welcome back to Wealth AI, the channel dedicated to helping UK adults build genuine financial freedom. Subscribe if you have not already. This is one of the most requested topics on this channel, and I want to give it the detail it deserves. Step 1. Know your numbers. Before anything else, you need to know your numbers precisely. Number 1. Your target property price. Research the average price of the type of property you want in the area you want to buy. Use Rightmove and Zoopla to get a realistic picture of what properties actually sell for, not just what they are listed at. Number 2, your required deposit. Most lenders require a minimum of 5 to 10% deposit for first-time buyers. A 10% deposit on a £250,000 property is £25,000. A 15% deposit, which unlocks significantly better mortgage rates, is £37,500. Know your target. Number 3. Your borrowing capacity. Most UK mortgage lenders will lend between 4 and 4.5 times your gross annual income. On a combined household income of £60,000, that is £240,000 to £270,000 maximum borrowing. Add your deposit to understand the maximum property price you can realistically target. Step 2. Government schemes you must use. This is the step most first-time buyers miss entirely. The Lifetime ISA is the single most powerful tool available to UK first-time buyers right now. If you are between 18 and 39 years old, you can open a Lifetime ISA and contribute up to £4,000 per year. The government adds a 25% bonus on top of every pound you put in. That is a free £1,000 per year guaranteed. On a £4,000 annual contribution over 5 years, the government bonus alone adds £5,000 to your deposit, completely free. No investment risk, no strings attached, beyond using it for your first property purchase. Moneybox offers one of the best Lifetime ISA products available. It is linked in the description and takes about 10 minutes to open. The second scheme worth knowing is shared ownership, where you purchase between 10 and 75% of a property and pay rent on the remainder. It significantly reduces the deposit and mortgage required and gives you a genuine foot on the property ladder while you build equity. Step 3. Save your deposit faster. The focus shifts to building that deposit as fast as possible. The 3-account method we covered in a previous Wealth AI video applies perfectly here. Your deposit savings go into your vault immediately on payday. Treat your deposit saving the same way you would treat a rent payment. It goes out first, on time, every month, without exception. Maximize your Lifetime ISA first. £4,000 per year, getting the full government bonus. Then stack additional savings into a high-interest cash ISA or regular saver account for the remainder of your target deposit. Chip and Trading 212 both offer competitive rates, both linked in the description. Step 4. Get mortgage ready. Start preparing at least 6 months before you plan to apply. Your mortgage application is assessed on 3 main factors: your credit score, your income and employment stability, and your existing commitments. Check your credit report now using Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. Look for any errors or missed payments. Pay down any existing credit card balances. Do not apply for any new credit in the 6 months before your mortgage application. Use a free mortgage broker like Habito. They search the whole market and find deals you cannot access directly. They are free to use as a buyer. A broker can tell you what you are likely to be offered before you formally apply. Step 5. Find the right property. When your deposit is ready, you are a serious buyer. Estate agents respond differently to buyers with financing confirmed. You are in a stronger negotiating position than the majority of people. Focus on properties that have been on the market for more than 6 weeks. Sellers who have not found a buyer are more likely to negotiate. Get a full structural survey on any property you make an offer on. The cost of missing a structural problem is orders of magnitude higher. Your action plan this week. Open a Lifetime ISA today if you are eligible. Moneybox is linked below. Check your credit report on Experian or Equifax for free. Research the average property price in your target area on Rightmove. Every month you wait costs you more than the month before. In rent paid, in deposit not built, and in government bonuses not claimed. The best time to start was a year ago. The second best time is today. Hit the like button if this was useful. Subscribe to Wealth AI. Next week on the AI side, we are covering a game-changing tool. Drop a comment below. Where are you on your property journey right now? I read every single comment. I am Wealth AI, and this is just the beginning.